Good morning, Facebook. This is your host, Tommy Cunningham, coming to you live from Bloomington, Indiana on Wednesday. Today we are just planning to take a little drive around Bloomington today and maybe visit a couple of sites on your tour through Bloomington with Tommy Cunningham. So we are starting out on 3rd Street and we are going to show you around just a little. So you look out there, if you guys are not from Bloomington, this right here, it's a wonderful road, but sometimes when it rains, it gets a little bit like flooded. So I would recommend you guys be careful on these roads. But once you guys get closer and closer to like the Bloomington region, to mostly the areas around here, I would recommend you guys just take it easy and just look around Bloomington, because Bloomington can be a remarkable town if you guys just give it a chance. Well, I have it's going on my 4th year that I lived here in Bloomington, and I have to say that I really do like it. It's been really interesting. And my all-time favorite part about living in Bloomington, it has to be my wonderful job at Nick's English Hut and being around so many great people. And then just saying that Bloomington is such a nice community. There are such nice staff here. There's like Mr. Brandon Duncan, who works with the Lifelong Learning. There's Tyler Frazley, who works with the Lifelong Learning, who's a great guy. He is currently working nonstop to provide the most coverage. So what I recommend, you guys just look around and just be amazed. Like, by going around this place would honestly be like a life change for you. And honestly, just my question of the day for you guys is, what kind of different places do you guys like to go to? Do you guys like to go look around, go walk around, or just look at old buildings? That's my question of the day. So I'll be back on about at 3:30 today, just to do like an evening wrap up. So please join me. See ya.